lash artists, have you ever struggled to create natural yet sharp defined lash set? This is one of the most requested styles from my clients, and today I'm going to break it down step by step for you guys. I'm Monica from Ciula Lash. Everything I share based on real experience and passion for this industry. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment down below, and now let's get started. Now let's start building our first lash set. First, I will apply 30mm lashes evenly across the lash line. This will be my base layer. When placing the lashes, I carefully about spacing, not too close together, not too far apart. Why does it matter? Because if the lashes are too close, they will look too dense and heavy. If they too far apart, the set won't look full enough. And here's how I ensure the perfect lash placement. I leave a small gap between each lash to allow movement. I allow spacing lashes too close so I can make adjustment if needed. And I always check the lighting to ensure that the lashes are evenly spaced. Now let's add dimensions and sharpness while keeping the lash look natural. The secret is gradual length transitions. I start with 30mm in center, then add 11mm lashes on both sides for a smooth effect. Why is it important? Because it creates soft transitions instead of a harsh, blocky look. It enhances the eye naturally without making the lashes look too artificial. This technique works for classic, volume, wispy, and hybrid lash set. Pro tips here is don't overcrown 11mm lashes. Keep them light and balanced for a wispy and airy look. Next, I'm adding 12mm lashes next to 11 ones for perfect transitions. Why this step matters? Because it ensures a smooth, gradual transitions between the lash lengths. It prevents the lash set looking too layered or uneven. It enhances symmetry and balance, making the final result look flawless. Pro tips here is keep checking your work as you go. Lash symmetry is key to achieving a professional looking set. And now to soften the edges, make everything look natural, so I'm adding 10mm lashes. Why is this step crucial? Because it creates a smooth, natural blend between the longer and shorter lashes. It adds definitions without making the set look too heavy. It ensures the outer corner don't look too spare or too full. For the final check, ask yourself these questions. Are the lashes evenly spaced? Are all the length transitioning smoothly? Is there any empty space that needs a small adjustment? Alright, let's take a final look at this set. From the back view, you can see 13mm lashes create depth and dimensions. Shorter lashes underneath add softness and balance. The final effect is wispy, airy, and beautifully defined. So why clients love these styles? Because it's soft yet eye-catching, perfect for everyday wear. It's so comfortable and lightweight, it feels natural on the eyes, and the best thing about it is that it works for all eye shapes, a versatile style that every lash tech should master. And there you have it. That's how you create a natural yet defined lash set step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video to support more tutorials. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Comment down below if you have any questions. I would love to help. Share this with fellow lash artists. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video.